Hey guys, so today, I know I haven't filmed for a very long time. It's been busy school day and stuff. But I got a squishy package and yeah. So I took all this stuff out of the box. So this is the invoice. Pretty sure I don't need tape for this, but it's just I don't know why they choose that, but whatever. Oh. Okay. So this is... Sorry guys. One of my parents came by and I don't want to tell you who. So this is the card and this is the card. So it says, hello, thank you for buying from Queen Squishies. Birthday cake packaging $8. Ice cream cone packaging $8. She didn't add it up, but 8, 9, 10, 16 $16. So yeah. And then Skittles were 2, so 8, 19. I just 8, 19. So it was $18 for it. So the Skittles was $2. So, and it says extra right here, big. Now this doesn't have no refunds because I think this is a good person. Oh, I forgot to get my scissors over here. So the first thing I get out is this extra. This is a paper squishy. It's not even squishy. Like, it's not even slow rising. So yeah, but the face is super cute. So then I got the Skittles out. It says do not eat in the back, and then it has colorful. I don't know if you can see and it says Skittles. It is, if you see, it is squishy, but it's not so rising. But yeah, but I do love it. Thank you. The next I got, what's after this? It's okay, the birthday cake. This is the birthday cake. It's in packaging. It says Sora Rising. Collect them all. And what I was saying, there was more, but I didn't get all of them. Oh, I forgot to squeeze it in the packaging. Oh my god, it smells so good. It's very slow rising. It smells so good. So go check this girl out. She is so awesome. It doesn't even have no defects. It looks very new actually, guys. Next, it's this ice cream cone that is in packaging, so she didn't be back. Sorry guys. It's like middle of the night. My mom's tell it's 9:57. She's telling me to take a bath, and I'm saying, wait a second. So yeah. Oh, it's in packaging. Can you squish it? Oh. Sorry for the bad lighting. It's nighttime, guys. Oh, it smells so good. Very slow rising. Cone, very slow rising. So yeah, this was very good squishy package. Go check her out. She is awesome. She doesn't scare me or nothing. So, but this, I don't know what the deal this is, because I wanted a Skittle one, a Skittle like squishy like this, but I don't know, I guess they didn't have it or nothing, because this do not eat. And then I just got this extra that's very cute. So yeah, I hope you like this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and share. So yeah, this was a scam, guys. So I just bought these squishies at a place. I'm not gonna tell you the place because I don't want people to start buying stuff from there. But I bought it from a place, so it wasn't really a squishy package. I just bought it from a store, but I'm not gonna tell you the store. And I made this paper squishy, and I made this extra. So yeah, I got you guys. Please subscribe, like, and yeah. Oh, and I forgot to tell you that I changed my channel. I didn't change my channel, but I got new phones, and I got a new phone like very long time ago, but I still need to tell you all this every single day because, like, will you dare me to cut this? It's like, what did I say? Oh my god, I get distracted so fast. I got a phone a long time ago, so I just need to start saying that so y'all won't, like, if new people come, they will know. So yeah, very slow. So, whoa. I bought this from a store, and I do buy squishes online. I do that also, so yeah. So I know, I'm sorry if this was a short video. It's only 6 minutes long, actually. If you look right now, 6 minutes long. Not 6 minutes long, but like about to be 7 minutes. But yeah, please subscribe, like, yeah. And I hope everyone's having a good day. So I'll see y'all later. Bye.